Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry problem. So here you see that we have this is a nice right triangle in which the length of one side is given and the length of other two sides are unknown. So here we need to find the parameter of this triangle. So here you remember one thing is that our a, b and c should must be an positive integer. It means that for the positive integer values of a, b and c we find the parameter of this right triangle. Further you see here this is any other angle and we also know about that this is a right triangle, and in right triangle we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem we first find the sides length, other unknown sides length. Okay, so now you see here the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. So this is our hypotenuse. The side opposite to this angle is called the perpendicular. This is perpendicular side, and the side we join both of these two angles is called the base. So this is our base, and here we use the Pythagoras theorem. So you very well know about that. The Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. And from the right triangle we have the value, we denote our hypotenuse is c becomes c square. So our base denoted by b square and perpendicular is denoted by a square. Okay, so our base is denoted by a square and perpendicular is denoted by b square. So here we need to substitute the values of b and a, b and c. So this is c square, the value of a is not given and the value of b is 6 square. Further, we move this a square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as c square minus a square equals to this is 6 square, and 6 square becomes here 36. And now further in the next step we need to use the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side, and it will be written as c minus a times of c plus a is equals to 36. And further in the next step you see here in the left hand side we have there are two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to find any positive integers whose product becomes 36. So the possibilities are uh, first we have 1 times of 36 equals to 36. The second possibility is 2 times of 18 equals to 36, and 3 times of 12 equals to 36, and 6 times of 6 is also equals to 36. So we have these are the four possibilities in which the product of two positive integers becomes 36. And now here if we make the relation between these two factors, then you see here c minus a is always less than c plus a. So here we choose those pairs in which the first pair is less than the second pair. So this is 1 is less than 36, we choose this one, and here 2 is less than 18, we choose this one, 3 is less than 12, we choose this pair, and 6 is equals to 6. So we reject this case because 6 is not less than 6. Okay, so we have there are three possibilities in which we can get the values of c and a. So here we first move towards our first case. So in the first case we compare both of these two factors with 1 and 36, and it will be written as c minus a equals to 1 and c plus a equals to 36. And here we write our second case, and in second case we compare c minus a and c plus a with 2 and 18, and we write c minus a equals 2 and c plus a equals to 18. So first we solve these two cases and we get the values of a and c. And now here we need to focus on this case, and we call this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So first we add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So this is c plus c becomes 2c, and this minus a and plus a are cancelled out by each other, and we get 1 plus 36 becomes 37. So here we move this 2 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 37 divided by 2. So you see that here our c should must be belongs to positive integer, but here it is not belongs to positive integer. Okay, so if our c is not belongs to positive integer, then we rejected this case, okay, because we solved this problem for integer or for positive integer values of a, b, and c. So we reject this case, and now we move towards our second case, and in the second case we have c minus a2 and 18. So we call this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So we again sum up both of these two equations and we obtain this minus a and plus a are gone, and we get c plus a becomes 2c, 2 plus 18 becomes here 20, and we divide both of the sides by 2. So this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here c equals to 2 tens are 20. So we get the value of c is equals to 10. So from second case we get the value c is 10, and when we put this value of c in equation number 3, so our equation number 3 is implies that this is 10 minus a equals to 2, and it will becomes here 10 minus 2 equals to a, and we get the value of a is equals to 8. So here in the second case we get both of these two values are positive integer values. Here we find the values of a and c from third case. So here we write our third case, and in third case we compare both of these two factors with 3 and 12. So after comparison of these values we obtain c minus a equals to 3 and c plus a equals to 12, and we call this is equation number 5 and this is equation number 6. So we add equation number 5 and equation number 6, and you see here this is minus a and plus a are gone, and we get here c plus c becomes 2c, 3 plus 12 becomes 15, and after dividing both of the sides by 2 we get the value of c is equals to 15 over 2. So here you again see that 15 over 2 is not belongs to positive integers, okay. So if this is also not belongs to positive integers, so that we again rejected this case. So we have just only one possible case in which we get the values of a, b, and c are positive integers. So from that case we easily get the parameter of the given equation. So here for the parameter we just find the parameter of the right triangle, and you know about that the formula of parameter of triangle is sum of the boundary values, sum of the all the boundaries. So here we have the value of a, the value of a is equals to 8, and the value of b is 6, the value of c is 10. So finally we have the parameter of the given triangle is 24. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.